Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get CLI node public key on LayerEdge Easy Guide. Open a terminal, confirm LayerEdge CLI is installed, and run LayerEdge CLI account list to find your node ID. Then run LayerEdge CLI node export key ID node ID to print the public key. Copy the base 64 or hex output safely and verify it against your configuration before sharing. Open your terminal and type each command slowly so you can follow along. Start with account list to identify the node. Next, use node export key with the found ID and specify format if you prefer hex or base 64. Capture the output and save it to a secure file or clipboard. Always double-check the ID and format before sharing the key publicly to avoid mistakes or accidental exposure of other secrets. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy walkthroughs. Quick recommendation. There's a great book that can truly change how you think about money called The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a nice mental companion to thinking long-term about nodes and value. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. After exporting the public key, verify it by comparing with your configuration files or a known checksum to ensure integrity. Avoid sharing any private credentials and only distribute the public key where necessary. Save the exported key in a secure location with restricted permissions, and consider creating a simple checksum file to detect accidental modifications. These small steps prevent common mistakes and keep your node identity consistent across services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.